Hello everyone, I'm honored to introduce MappingSpace ALM, a revolutionary AI agent that brings an unprecedented level of intelligence to R&D management processes. Over the next few minutes, I'll walk you through a series of real-world scenarios to show how this tool is transforming development workflows and exponentially boosting efficiency. You can also scan this QR code to join the group chat and get an invitation code for early access to MappingSpace AI features. Scenario 1. Requirement analysis. In traditional R&D management, collecting, analyzing, and drafting requirements is often time-consuming and labor-intensive. Team members spend a great deal of time organizing and interpreting requirements. Now, with MappingSpace ALM, things have changed. It can quickly read historical requirement documents, search for up-to-date information online, and automatically generate clear and structured requirement analysis documents. Take a look, here's the result after being processed by MappingSpace. What used to take several days can now be done in just a few minutes. The boost in efficiency is obvious. Scenario 2. Understanding requirements and auto-generating test cases. For newly generated requirement documents, QA teams often spend a lot of time trying to understand them and manually writing test cases, a process that's not only tedious but prone to human error. With MappingSpace, everything becomes simple and efficient. First, we select a requirement document. MappingSpace will swiftly read and understand its content. Then, it automatically generates detailed test cases based on the requirements. Here is what the generated test cases look like. They not only cover all key functionalities but also take into account various edge and exception cases. What used to take days or even weeks can now be done in minutes, significantly improving QA team productivity while ensuring comprehensive and accurate testing. Scenario 3. Real-time translation for international teams. In international teams, non-native English-speaking engineers often face additional burdens due to English documentation. Now, MappingSpace's real-time translation feature solves this problem. Simply select the target language, and the content is instantly rendered in the user's native language. No need for external translation tools. Moreover, there's no need to download and upload documents to translation software, which reduces the risk of information leaks. Regardless of the language spoken by team members, the AI agent supports seamless multilingual switching to ensure smooth communication, letting the team focus on development and greatly improving work efficiency. Finally, let's look at a scenario that isn't directly tied to R&D but is familiar to every developer: recruitment. Scenario 4. Resume screening and recommendation. During the hiring process, screening a large number of resumes is often a tedious and time-consuming task. MappingSpace can now analyze resumes rapidly, accurately extract key information such as skills, experience, and educational background, and intelligently match candidates to job requirements. It can even compare the strengths of different candidates and generate intuitive comparison charts to help recruiters quickly identify the most suitable applicants. By now, you should have a good sense of the enormous potential of MappingSpace ALM. Simply type what you need in the chat box, and MappingSpace will leverage AI to assist you. Scan the QR code to join the group chat and get your invitation code. Start your unique AI-powered R&D journey today.